Hey friends, if you encounter this issue of FPS drop while gaming on your computer, then please watch this video. Now see, the basic reason can be with the internet connection. So obviously bring your computer as close as possible to the router if you're using a wireless connection, or even better you can use a wired connection. But that is something we already know. Okay, so the next solution will be that you can try updating the graphics card drivers. Obviously, updating the graphics card itself is a good option, but if not, then you can search for device manager and go to device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click, update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Okay. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next one is a clean boot, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on this option. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply, okay, and then restart your computer. And lastly, enable the game mode. Search for game mode in the Windows search bar and go to the game mode settings page. Okay, make sure that this is on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.